What's the meaning of cluttered? Cluttered. Cluttered.
Cluttered. Cluttered. Cluttered refers to a state of being crowded or filled with an excessive amount of objects or items in a space, making it difficult to move around or find what you need. A cluttered space can cause stress and anxiety as it overwhelms the senses and creates a sense of disorder. It may also be associated with hoarding tendencies or a lack of organization. Overall, a cluttered space can negatively impact one's productivity and ability to focus. To avoid clutter, it is important to regularly declutter and organize personal spaces.